What you usually eat when you watch movie in your country?
Popcorn.
Popcorn, right?
Yeah.
But in Mekong Delta, we don't have so many corn.
Yeah.
We have rice only.
Rice only.
Rice only. And local people, they don't use coal or something for burning. We use coconut leaf
Okay.
for burning. Lấy đâu chị? Chị, lấy đâu? Let me show you the way we make bubble rice. Here we have the hot sand right here. We stir it. 6 seconds. Yeah, we have hot sand. Hot sand for what?
Hot sand.
Hot sand. Yeah, but this is the very clean sand.
Okay.
Yeah, material. Okay. Okay, we pour some rice seeds inside, and we keep stir it. Okay, you see. It's a good trick. Chưa nấu kịp. Nóng quá hả?
Quá nó bị hỏng tháo kìa.
Vậy hả? See the pale one. I'm not good at it. Alright, now we shake it. We separate sand and rice out. Okay, one more step. We separate rice out and pop rice. Fried bub rice with original flavor. That's best snack ever in Mekong. You see? Now this lady will.
Coffee, chicken, seaweed, and onion.
Chicken.
Yeah, chicken.
Chicken?